Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another Dodge for you, but this one's not a Magnum or a Charger. This is a 2009 Dodge Avenger. This one came in all silver. We picked out these three colors for the young lady. This is a female's vehicle. We also picked out some brand new 22's that were black. We color matched them to the car. I know y'all don't see too many Dodge Avengers hooked up as far as paint, but this is one right here coming from John's Restoration. Like everything else that leaves out of the shop, it's been wet sand and buffed out. That's why it's got that real slick look. Like I keep saying, these females are coming real strong this summer. This one belongs to a young lady by the name of Janelle, graduate from ODU. That's one of the colleges in Norfolk, Virginia. There go that famous logo, name and number. We in talks now about as far as her interior, doing something with the inside to bring some of the colors that's from the outside inside of the vehicle. Give us a call if we can assist you in any automotive needs. The number is 757-713-2277. Like I said, this car came in factory, and it was all silver, sitting on factory rims. Now she got the three-tone with the brand new 22's to color match the vehicle. You can see all the before, during, and after pictures on Facebook.com/John's Restoration 2. That's John's Restoration with the Roman numeral 2. Log on, become a friend. See all the latest updates for the cars, car shows. Remember, we do factory, custom, whether it's paint or interior. We also do audio, whether it's just putting in the radio or a full-blown system. You know, we got that interior going on as well. Give us a call, 757-713-2277. 2009 Dodge Avenger. Get ready to hit the streets. Another female in the game. This your man Big John with John's Restoration.